This is a coffee making machine. As you can see, it's got a filter here, and it's also got the beveled edge here. And it's a thermal flask, so it's got a thing, and it is 1 litre or 34 fluid ounces. And I'll just put a scoop of ground coffee inside. I think that's enough for me. Using the POLIVIAR kettle. Okay, it's starting to boil. Okay, now we put this down and let it wait for a few minutes. Push this down so it filters the coffee. So let's see, just pointing forward. And there we go, beautiful coffee. As simple as that, we have a beautiful cup of coffee.